Hello everyone, my name is Moji. You're watching a Bitcoin Bubble news channel. Plan B is giving us some interesting information. Talking about the crypto market issues that make him nervous at the moment, this is straight from his video, so thanks to him. I value it because he does have some worries, or there could be some worries if price started to do a few different things. I also want to talk about some of the big news in the market today, like Tesla and other things related to the US debt. If you don't mind, give it a thumbs up and turn on the bell notification below the video so you can see more movies like this one. If you want to buy crypto, the price of Bitcoin is going down a little. You can see Bitcoin Bubble or the Coin W at the link below the movie. You can use leverage to trade on both of those sites. If you don't have a VPN, you can still get to them without having to put in your personal information or go through a KYC. They're both doing big drops of air right now. If you click the Join Now or another Join Now button, you can get some free crypto. But let's get started. We'll play the Plan B movie here in a moment. First though, take a look at this. After just one day, Sven Heinrich shows that the US debt went up by a whopping $109 billion. From July 27th to July 28th. Is it a surprise that some people like crypto? Do you not understand why people buy Bitcoin? No, it's because money never runs out. With each print, we'll continue to dig ourselves deeper into a hole. But you know what? Bitcoin has a limit. The price of Bitcoin should be looked at now, and then there is some big news for the Bitcoin bubble. Bitcoin ended June just above 62,000, so the market has been stuck in a dull trading range between 60 and 70K for a few months now. Until we can figure out what to do, it will stay there. So after a half thing, the Bitcoin price always legs the model value and starts moving. Several months after the half and 12 to 18 months before the price goes up. Gets to the predictions made by the stock to flow model. I think we just need to be patient. I know that's hard, but it's the only thing we can do until the next chart. And yes, Red, we are still in a bull market. I know it may feel different, but the numbers don't lie. There are numbers on each one of those. There's nothing weird about it. We should be here. I'd be scared if we got yellow or green, which can't happen, but yellow. We don't have it. It's red. The market is going up. That makes me feel better. RSI, that's cool. It went down a little or stayed the same between 60 and 70. It's now 65. At 69, some people think the bull market is up, and their logic is pretty interesting. This is because Bitcoin has decreasing rhythms, which means that each cycle, the highs and lows get lower, and this higher side also goes down. It's possible to clip it to a t-shirt, and the ends get tucked in. Diminishing returns are something I don't believe in, but you can clip it to T. I believe in the idea of exponential growth. Anyway, people who believe the bull market is over also see a normalizing, which makes them think that the Bitcoin markets are returning to a normal trade rate. So the RSI's regular trading range is between -6.30 and 70. This is true for stock markets, foreign exchange markets, and so on. The price ranges from $30 to $70. If it goes a little higher, you might see this peak at over $70 as the Bitcoin market returning to normal. After that, we'll see a bear market. The slope is likely to get steeper around 30. I can see why that would be the case with the bear market. I understand your point of view, but I don't think that will happen. As exponential returns happen, there will be no diminishing returns. In 2021, the RSI will be above 80 again, just like it was in 2013 and 2000, but only time will tell. It's interesting, and we'll be keeping a close eye on the RSI. Know that people who sold things in June got a 13% return. That's not much, but it's good, and you can look at it next to other things. In 2017, I think there will still be some red, some green, and some orange. The market is still hesitant, just like it was at the start of the 2017 bull market. Now, blue would worry me right in. Talking about this general direction and why the numbers are what they are, blue makes me nervous, but green, orange, and yellow don't. All of this fits with what we know about past. Bitcoin making money, same thing, 90% of hot earth is making money, which is similar to what we saw in 2013. There was a lot of yellow, orange, and red at the start of the bull market, right around the level of the last top, and we can see that hesitation here as well. It's clear that the market is looking for direction. I hope it goes in that direction soon, and until then, we will have to wait until then. Okay, thanks for watching. It really helps people find my work if you subscribe. The price of Tesla stock is up 9% here today. Now, why does that happen? Okay, just looking at the title, Tesla said it would send about 440,000 electric vehicles in Q2, which was more than the 439,300 cars that were expected. A lot of people are worried because deliveries have been a little higher than production in the past, but as you can see, deliveries are now a little higher than production. so they're getting rid of some of their stock. They did offer a few low-interest deals, so they were able to give people more than they expected. But I think the market is also responding pretty strongly to this. 517% more energy batteries were used by Tesla last year than the previous year, and 1,322% more per quarter. I mean, look at this, the use of energy storage went up by about 100%. 125% of also, I'm sorry, but that 122% is just from Q1. It would be great if your business could double or even triple its output. They did drop the prices of some of their facilities, though. I saw that the price of a megapack went down from about $1.8 million to just over $1 million. That also makes it possible for a lot more people to buy these, but I can't remember what their margins look like. I am not sure what their energy business is, but it must be pretty profitable if they can bring down prices that much and be the market winner. I mean that this means they can work for about 40 gigawatt hours a year. So Tesla's new Superpack factory, which is being built in Shanghai right now, should have about the same amount of capacity. The new factory should start making cars in the first or second quarter of 2025, so they'll have to work at pretty much full capacity for the next year. You can see that this was small a few years ago in 2022. They were making $1 billion a quarter, or maybe it was $1 billion a quarter. What did that mean? As of now, they've done 9,500,000 megawatt hours, which is 10 times what they did 2 years ago. That is crazy. So Tesla is responding in a pretty good way. This is my biggest stock holding, so I'm pretty happy about it. But let me know what you think. They've been on a tear lately, up 23% in the last 5 days and 30% over the past month. But they've been going down for 6 months, a year, or even a year. But yes, if you got it at the right time, you could be up 62.65%. Tell me what you think about all of this below the video. Thanks for watching. Follow the links below the video to learn more about Bitcoin Boom and CoinW. See you in the next video.